A two-story building located around the Okearin area of Idumota, Lagos Island went down on Tuesday, as confirmed by the management of the Lagos State Emergency Management Agency. Last month revealed that the building, which was undergoing supervised demolition, collapsed in the night of Tuesday following strong wind. The agency Director General Olufemi Oke Osoyintolu noted that there was no record of any casualty in the incident. He added that the structure is already under the oversight of the Lagos State Building Control Agency. Ondo State Commander of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Haruna, has died. He died at the age of 59 after a brief illness. A native of Plateau State, Mr. Gangara, will be buried on Friday. His death is coming as a surprise to the staff of the agency.